Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over how to file your crypto taxes in 2025, step by step. Whether you're new to crypto or already trading actively, this guide will walk you through everything you need to report your gains, losses, and income correctly to the IRS. So let's jump right into it. First, let's talk about step 1, calculating capital gains and losses. Every time you sell, trade, or spend crypto, that's considered a taxable event in the US. To calculate your gain or loss, you subtract your cost basis, meaning what you originally paid for the asset, including fees, from the amount you received when you sold it. If the result is positive, that's a capital gain. If it's negative, that's a loss. Keep in mind that crypto held for less than a year is taxed as short-term capital gains, while anything held longer than a year qualifies for the lower long-term rates. Next, step 2, completing IRS Form 8949. This form is where you list every single taxable crypto transaction. You'll include details like the date you acquired the asset, the date you sold it, the proceeds, your cost basis, and the resulting gain or loss. Make sure you separate your transactions into short-term and long-term sections. If you've got a lot of trades, you can use crypto tax software to automatically generate this form for you. Moving on to step 3, include totals from Form 8949 on Schedule D. Once you've filled out Form 8949, take the totals and transfer them to Schedule D. This is where you summarize all of your short-term and long-term capital gains and losses. Schedule D is part of your regular tax return, and it helps the IRS see your overall investment results for the year. Now let's cover step 4, including crypto income. Not all crypto is taxed as capital gains. Sometimes it's ordinary income. This includes rewards from staking, mining, or airdrops. If you earn crypto through a job, self-employment, or side hustle, you'll report it on Schedule C. These types of income are taxed at your regular income tax rate, so don't skip them. Finally, step 5. Complete the rest of your tax return. Make sure to include all other income sources, deductions, and tax credits as you normally would. Double check that your crypto information matches your records, exchange reports, or tax software calculations to avoid mismatches or audits. And here's a bonus tip. If you've had losses, you can use them to offset your gains, or even reduce your taxable income by up to $3,000 per year. Plus, any remaining losses can be carried forward to future tax years. That's it! 5 simple steps to file your crypto taxes for 2025. It might sound complicated at first, but with the right records and tools, it's actually very manageable. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future crypto tax and trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.